let's get into how I got this nice, beautiful, balanced look from my client that's got multiple curl patterns, multiple textures, and some heat damage happening in there. After reshaping her hair in a good cleanse, I went in with the Doux Crazy Sexy Curl. It was my first time using this product, and I was really impressed by it. It had the perfect shine, the perfect hold, and it's always a challenge finding products that work for highly textured hair. And I can honestly say this really hit, considering that my client had multiple textures and patterns happening. It really gave a nice cohesive finish. After setting my definition, I always go in with that extra boost of hydration by just re-wetting everything before I start diffusing. Now, this next step is really important if you have areas of your hair that shrink more, or you have an imbalance because of heat damage. My client has both. She's really tight around the ears and her nape area, and really relaxed on her top crown area. So I am simply using my concentrator to stretch out her root area, leaving the definition on the end. Stretching your curls can really help as well if you've got a tighter crown area and a looser nape area. If your goal is to grow out your hair, it means that you're not having to sacrifice your length to create balance. You can do the reverse. How beautiful are these results? Let me know if this was helpful. Do you stretch style your hair?